Hello guys and welcome today here from the beachfront in Larnaca. I'm about to enter a restaurant and get some great foods, and before I do so I wanted to tell you a little bit about how the day went. So thank you very much for watching. As you know, we got triggered yesterday in a protective trade and then it went straight up against us, so we are now using a repair strategy as it looks like the markets are going up higher. So basically what I did in the short trade, when we make money when the market goes down, when it goes up we are losing trade, so I put on a long trade which works exactly the other way around. So I basically froze in the current loss that we have at the moment, so that doesn't run away. And now as the stock market moves up and down in between, I will always put an order in, get some money out. Already started today, so I made a few €100 back. I will continue to do so over the next few days until we are in the positive, and I will kind of resolve that and just trade whatever direction we are going. So if we continue to head up, we will make more money then, and we will get the money or the temporary loss that we had, get out with these daily trades, and afterwards we will make money on the upside. If we should turn around, that's fine, we will do the same thing, but then we will let the short trade run down and I will make money during the day. Anyway, I entered two new trades as well. One is coffee. We have a long position there because I think that coffee is likely to go up over the next few weeks, and another position in nickel. We got stopped out in Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, so we made around I think 250 New Zealand dollars, which is quite nice. And I think we had another trade, with soybeans that are still going in our favor. So now we are close to break even. After we went down, we came back up, we went a little bit up further. So that's great as well. Later on, I will send you the updates on each specific trade on the diary that I keep posting. So I just wanted to inform you and show you a little bit that even if you're wrong in the assumption, or the market does something different than you would expect, that's not the end of the world, because we always can repair it, and this is one of the strategies. I will show you several others over the course of the next 357 days I think are left in the year, so there's a lot of more content coming in. And today you know that we are able to freeze in our temporary losses, make our money back, and then open one of the legs in order to make more money in whatever direction the market goes. So from that perspective, everything is fine. We made a little bit of money, a few hundred New Zealand dollars, and we're now looking forward for our new trades to pay off as well. So that's it for today. I'm quite hungry, so I want to go inside and enjoy my meal. Thank you very much for watching. I'll post you the update later when I'm back in my office. And thank you for watching. Hope you learned a little bit. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments so I can reply. If you're interested in these repair strategies, I can tell you a little bit more about it. Otherwise, next time we repair something, I will tell you either about that strategy again in more detail, or use one of the other strategies that you have. So, thank you very much. I'm going to eat now, and can't wait to see you again tomorrow. So, have a good evening. Bye bye.